Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at the LED clearance and side marker light. This is going to be a nice small round LED light for your trailer, and since this is PC rated, which basically means that it can be seen from a greater field of view, this can be used as your side marker and your clearance light at the same time as long as you have it properly mounted, which just means you need to have it kind of at a diagonal or on the corner of your trailer. That way people can see that light from both the front or both the side and the rear of the trailer. So that's what that PC rating means. So it produces 180 degrees of light from the surface of the light itself. The other really nice thing about this light is that it is going to be a submersible light. If we look at the back there, it's filled with a potting material. So if I zoom in a little bit more, you can kind of see it's like an epoxy behind that light. So it's going to seal everything up, make so that it's impervious to water, works well for your enclosed trailers, your marine trailers, anywhere that you're going to be going through rain, sleet, snow, and things like that. The LED design is also going to mean it's a longer lasting light than your incandescent bulbs, since there's no filaments that can break and get brittle on you, needing to be changed out every so often, so it should last for a long time on your trailer. As you can see, I have it illuminated right now. It does have the red LED inside there. It's just a clear lens over the top. The lens is made out of a polycarbonate, and so is the housing. I'm going to turn the light out in the studio so you can get a better idea of what that looks like in the dark. So you can see that red color a little bit better now that the light isn't so bright in here. But you can even see the beam pattern here. It goes in that straight line across. So that gives us that 180 degree light range. So even to the side, you can still see that light all the way over. It is just one diode and has a power draw at 12 volts of 0.052 amps, so pretty low power draw. It's the other nice advantage with LEDs is that they don't take up a lot of power. So you can have a lot of these little guys and really not have too much draw on your battery or your power source. Now for some measurements, the light itself is just 3/4 of an inch thick. That grommet, it's going to be a little bit bigger than that. The grommet is maybe about 7/8, or well, it looks like it will actually be about 3/4 there. The outside of that grommet is about 1 1/8 inches on the outside, just where that flap goes over. There's a little bit of give to the light, to the grommet, so you can push that in, hold it in place, kind of gives a nice finished look to it. The thickness, or the depth of the light, is just under 1 inch at about 15/16. It's a single diode design. The wire coming off the back measures about, let me get my wire straightened out here. The one I have is about 13 inches long. It might vary a little bit for your particular light. Might have cut it a little bit longer for other ones out there. But going from the back of the housing to the end of that wire, it's about 13.5 inches. When this is fully straightened, there's a little bit of bend to that wire. It might end up being about 14 inches, but a little bit of give and take there. Should be plenty of wire though to work with, get everything hooked up and routed on your trailer. There is a lifetime warranty on the LED, and that's about all there is to it for our LED clearance and side marker light. 2-wire design, black goes to power, white goes to ground. If you need any other lights for your trailer, including amber or white lights, we have a lot of options available here at etrailer.com, so definitely check them out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.